Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 32, Chapter number 5, Elementary Shapes. Dear students, you will also follow COVID appropriate behavior, so you wear mask, follow physical distancing and maintain hand hygiene.
So now students, so here we have two things here, one is pencil and one is pen here, right? So can you suggest me which one is greater out of these two things here, this pencil or this pen? Yes, right, this pen is greater and this pen is having greater length as compared to this pencil, right? And it is not possible to say that what is the length of this pen and the exact length of this pen and the exact length of this pencil. So here we use some instrument related to measurement to find the exact length. So dear students, here we use some instruments to find the exact length of different objects, right? So here we use this 50 centimeter scale here, right, to find the exact length of this pen. So here we get the length of this pen is equal to 13 centimeter, right? Now when we measure, the length of this pencil is equal to 8.6 centimeter, right? So here we write the length of this pen is equal to 13 centimeter, length of the pencil is equal to 8.5 centimeter, right? So here we use these all instruments and we find the exact length of different objects. And dear students, when we find different angles and when we find the exact degree of the angle, so here we use this instrument, and this instrument is known as protractor, right? So these all things is related to your chapter number 5, understanding elementary shape, right? So this is chapter number 5. Okay, understanding elementary shapes. So all the shapes we see around us form using curve or lines, right? So we can see corners, edges, planes, open curve and closed curve in our surroundings, right? We organize them into line segments, angles, triangles, polygons and circles. Okay, so here we find that they have different sizes and measures, right? Now here we discuss some other topics related to this chapter, understanding elementary shapes. If we draw a line segment here like this, right, and it's have a two endpoints here, A and B. Now here we draw another line segment here and give the name of this line segment as CD. Now it is very easy to us to find which one is greater, right, by observing these figures of the line. But it is very tough to us to find the exact length of the line segment, right? So here we use ruler to find the exact length of these line segments here. So there are lots of other method also. Here we use one divider here. Here we use this divider, right, to find the exact length of this line segment, right? So what we do here, here we put the tip of this first tape on the D point and the second tip on the C point, right? Now here we take the length of this line segment CD. Now we measure on the scale, right? So here we get exact 15 centimeter, right? Here we get exact 15 centimeter, the length of this line segment, right? 15 centimeter. Now here we use the same method here and we find what is the exact length of this line segment AB, right? Now we put the first tip on the A and the second tip on the B. Now we use scale here, right, this ruler, and we put the first tip on the centimeter and the second one here, right? So here we get 10.8 centimeter, right? 10.8 centimeter. So here we write length of the first line segment AB is equal to 10.8 centimeter, right? Line segment AB, and line segment CD, the length of the line segment CD is equal to 15 centimeter. Friends, here we solve some questions related to your chapter number 5, and these all questions are from your chapter number 5 exercise 5.1, right? So here the first question is, what is the disadvantage in comparing line segments by mere observation, right? Here the question is, what is this disadvantage in comparing line segments by mere observation, right? So what we do here, when we just measure a line segment, or here we comparize the line segments by mere observation. So here by mere observation we can't compare the line segments with slight difference in their length, right? Now here we take one example here. If we draw a two line segment here like this, okay, so there is slightly difference between the length of the second one, right? If we take a first line segment PQ and RS, the second one is a little bit greater here, but it is very tough to us to find the exact difference of their length, right? We can say that, and we can't say that which line segment is of the greater length, right? Hence the chances to error due to an improper viewing are. Now here we write the answer of this question. So by mere observation, okay, so here you also draw these two line segment also, right? And PQ and RS vision, we can't compare the line segments with slight difference in their length, right? And we can't say that okay, we can't say which line segment is of greater length, right? Hence the chances of errors, right, due to improper viewing or more, right? So there are lots of time when we observe something and some objects, so it is very tough to us to find which one is greater and which one is smaller, right? And we also some when we measure some quantity of and capacity of a glass, right? And some water bottle, which one having a more capacity as compared to other one. So this is same as if we observe these only these two line segments here, PQ and RS, so it is very tough to us to find which one is greater, right? And which one is greater and by how much. Okay, so this is a disadvantage in mere and comparing line segments by mere observation. Now here we take second question here, and the question is, why is it better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of the line segment? Now here we write solution here. So why is it better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the line segment? So while using a ruler, chances of error due to the thickness of the ruler, right, and angular viewing. Hence using divider accurate measurement is possible because a divider having two sharp tip, right, and it is very easy to put this tip on the line segment and we find the exact length of the line segment here. So here we write while using a ruler, chances of error occur due to thickness of the ruler and angular viewing, right? Hence using divider accurate measurement is possible, right? Accurate measurement is possible, right? So when we use divider, it is help us, and a divider help us to find the exact length of the line segment, right? Now here we take third question here, and the question is, draw any line segment say line segment AB, okay, and take any point C lying
in between A and B. Measure the lengths of AB, BC and AC, and is AB equal to AC plus CB? Okay, so the question is, draw any line segment, and the line segment AB. Take any point C lying in between AB and measure the length of AB, BC and AC. Is AB equal to AC plus CD? Okay, here we prove that AB equal to AC plus CD. Okay, so given that C lie in between AB, right? It is already given here. Given that C or point C lie in between A and B, right? A and B. So hence all points are lying on the same line segment, right? So here we write, hence all points mean these all points A, B and C points are lying on the same line segment. Okay, and line segment AB. So therefore, for every situation in which point C is lying in between A and B, we may say that, right? So here we write, therefore, for every situation in which point C is lying in between A and B, we may say that AB is equal to AC plus CB. Now students, here we take one example here related to this part of this question, AB equal to AC plus CB. Now the length of AC and CB, right? AB line segment, and line segment is equal to AB, right? So AB is a line segment here. Okay, and here we take the same condition here, C lies in the middle of these 2 points. Okay, so C lies in the middle of these 2 points here, like this. Here we draw a line segment here, and here we write point A and point B, and this is a point C. So these all 3 points lie on the same line here, and here we take the length of this line, and this part of this line segment AC is equal to 3 centimeter, right? Here we take 3 centimeter here, and CB equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so what is the total length of AB? So if we add AC plus CB, right? Here we find the length of AB. So here we add the length of AC or CB. So here we add AC plus CB here.
So AB equal to, and the total length of this AB equal to 7 centimeter, right? So here we add these 2 centimeters here, these 2 length here, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So here we get total 7 centimeter here. So here we say that the length of AB is equal to 7 centimeter, right? Now here we take another question here. A comma B comma C are 3 points on a line such that AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter, and AC equal to 8 centimeter. So here which one of them lies between the other two? Okay, so we write the solution here. So the question is A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter, and AC equal to 8 centimeter. Which one of them lies between the other two? So now here we write first the given values here. So here we write given AB equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter, and AC equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so now it is clear that AC equal to AB plus BC, right? So here we write it is clear that, okay, so it is clear that AC equal to AB plus BC, right? So here we say that hence point B lies between AC. So here we draw first line segment here and give the name of this line segment AC. Which one is greater here out of these 3 points or 3 line segment? AC is greater here, 8 centimeter, right? So here we give the name of this line segment as AC and take a B as a midpoint here. So here AB equal to 5 centimeter, okay, AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter, and the total length of AC is equal to 8 centimeter, right? Now here we say that hence point B lies between A and C. Okay, so here we say that hence B point, this B point, okay, this B point lies between A and C. Now here we take another question here, and the question is verify whether D is the midpoint of AG line segment AZ or line AG. Okay, so now the figure of this line is already given here, okay, and here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? There are total 7 points here, and here we write A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So the question is verify whether D is the midpoint, right? Whether D is the midpoint here, this D point. So here what we do here we count the units here. So from D we count the total units here, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So here we say that it is clear from the figure, okay, it is clear from the figure AD equal to 3 units and DG equal to 3 units, right? AD equal to 3 units and DG equal to 3 units. So hence D is the midpoint of line AG. So here we write it is clear that, and it is clear from the figure, right? It is clear from the figure AD equal to DG equal to 3 units, right? 1, 2, 3, and this side 1, 2, 3. Okay, these units are equal from D. So here we write hence D is the midpoint point of line AG. Okay students, so here I also give these type of question in your worksheet, so you will solve these all question by yourself.